Hey, if you wonder if your JBL Xtreme 4 speaker is original or fake, so in this video I'm going to show you how it looks with the original. So you will be able to find every part, every marking, and you will be able to identify your speaker. So I just get this speaker from official JBL website, and first let's focus on the buttons. That's how it looks. As you can see right here, we've got the Auracast button, the power button, and the Bluetooth button. And when the speaker is turned on, it just lights up. Right here, we've got also this place where we can actually put the strap to carry it on our arm. Now, when you take a look on the back side, we've got the Xtreme 4 name with the USB-C port, and the port inside is actually with the orange color. On the bottom of the speaker, we can find a lot of information, and I'm going to actually put it like this, and I'm going to zoom in camera just to show you how it looks. Okay, so first of all, right here we can find the serial number. I'm going to also zoom in a little bit closer. Okay, and as you can see right here, we can find some data like the portable Bluetooth speaker name. It's actually hard visible to the camera, but right here we got the battery capacity. Just right here. Maybe I will try to zoom out a little bit because it's actually losing the focus. Yeah, there we got the battery capacity. Right here we've got the model of our speaker, so it's actually information about the JBL Xtreme 4. And right here we got all of these markings with the license, transmitter. And when you take a look on this part, I will have to definitely zoom out. There we go. Here we've got this rubber, the hard rubber with some particles inside. It's like, maybe it's not the rubber, it's like maybe something like the silicone. And we've got 4 parts like this. And it looks the same for this place. Also right here we've got this indicator. And by the way, right here we've got 2 screws and the battery information. And this is it for this video. Right now you can tell me in the comments if you actually find that your speaker is fake. Right now please subscribe to my channel.